The Infinite Archives X Air Jordan 17 Low Beach merges heritage and modern innovation in its official retail form, with earlier versions now confirmed as unreleased samples. Its anime-inspired campaign subtly highlights the standout multicolor outsole, a nod to the original AJ-17 and the Mike Bibby PE. A translucent DPU cage reveals the blow-molded air unit, while a color-shifting DPU clip injects a futuristic edge. The upper combines tumbled leather quarter panels with smooth toe caps in muted beach shades, contrasted by jet black collars and interiors. Paying homage to Jordan Brand's early athletes, this design bridges storytelling and performance tech. Its balance of collectible appeal and on-court readiness makes it a versatile release. Dropping soon, it delivers nostalgia with refined craftsmanship, ensuring it resonates with both longtime fans and new sneaker enthusiasts seeking something fresh yet rooted in legacy.